Hello guys. In the last video, we have seen how to install this admin dashboard into our React application. So if we go to localhost and if we have this, and if we go to dashboard, then we are able to see the dashboard. Okay, that is installed using shadcn. Okay. So this is the package that I had installed, and now we'll use this package in our different pages. So like you can see, we have components. Okay, this is of all of shadcn. So all these components and sidebar, and it is of the shadcn that we imported. So now what we are going to do is we are going to integrate it here. So okay, so uh, we are going to integrate it into our layout. So we are going to create a blog sidebar for the blogs and pages for the post. We are going to create a sidebar for the post. Like for example, if we go to our app that is running and we have post. So if I click on posts here, so you can see that this is not of shared CN, this is of our normal code that we had done. So let's integrate that into this. Okay, so let's integrate the sidebar. So first what we are going to do is okay, we are going to create a component. So we are going to in the components folder and we are going to create a new file, and this is called okay, like we are going to create a file called as post sidebar sidebar.tsx. Okay, we are going to create this file and we are going to copy this code from here to post sidebar. Okay, here. Now what we just want the main navigation. We'll just keep the main navigation. We'll remove this nav clouds. Okay, and also the documents. Okay, from this page. Okay, this will be our posts sidebar sidebar, and then what we are going to do is we are going to remove this section over here, so we do not need this. Okay, okay, then our company name we will put as something else here. So some okay, so some okay, I have used some company here, and so if I save this. Okay, so next what we are going to do is we remove these items from here, and we only have the required items. Now we need to integrate this into our layout.tsx file. Okay, so this is my old layout. So I'm going to paste my code over here, which I have created, and you can see that I'm getting the post sidebar from this components and the post sidebar, and I am triggering the children's. Okay, that will be the post and the pages. So if we go here, you can see okay, blogs will come here. Okay, so why did my okay, so let me go to the post and see why did this not work. Okay, okay, because I think we removed by mistake all of the navs that we were using. So we need to remove only this two because we need to keep the nav main. Okay, so now if I you can see all of the posts, all of the sidebar navs are displaying. So now we want to change that. So what we need to do is we have posts and we have pages and blogs. So this will be okay. This will be pages and this will be blogs. Okay, and this will be under posts. So this will be posts and pages. This will be the URL of it, and the same goes to this blogs. So this will be blogs, and what we need to do is we need to remove these other items that we don't need. So I'm going to remove this. Okay, and if I save this now, and you can see pages and blogs. But now if I click on that, so it won't work. Okay. So for that, what we need to do is now we have successfully imported all of this. So next, what we need to do is we need to provide a link. Okay, we need to provide a link. So that link will go in that link will go in if I go to the UI. So in the UI we have so you can see nav main. So we need to go to the nav main. So we go to the nav main UI component. So we go to okay, let's see where it is. It will be down below, I think. So yeah, it is here. And now what we need to do is we need to modify this. So this should be a button here. So it should be a link. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to include this in my directory. So you can see I'm setting the path name, whatever the URL is active, I'm setting it to it and I'm using link. Okay, so this we need to import. We need to import the link and also the path name. We need to get the library from navigation. So now I'm going to import it. So these are the two imports that I need to do. Okay, we have already used the path name, the link, and now we are also going to use the path name. So we are going to say const. Okay, path name equal to use path name and use it like this here. And now we have this folder. Uh, there are no errors. Now we go to the code and we can see, okay, this is coming two times, so I'll resolve this. So you can see if I go to blocks, blog will be active, and if I go to pages, pages will be active. So this is how our navigation works, and now we'll see why it is coming two times. Okay. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, so let's remove this because we have already included that. So let's remove this sidebar menu that is occurring again here. So let's remove this and let's save this. Now we have you can see we have pages and the blogs. So I will give the code link in the description so you can clone the repository and use it. So thanks for watching, guys.